Hi guys, this is Alan from Playside Financial. How are you today? In the previous videos, I've talked about if you want to trade with the US presidential election, then you might be better going after a longer trading period. So for today, I will be using a simple moving average crossover, and then I will be using the 10 minutes chart and then to trade with a 30 minutes option. It's pretty simple. First let me set up the indicators first, and then I will talk about how you can actually use this strategy to trade the US presidential election. First let's set up the indicators. So go to technical indicator. Yep, that one right there. Just click on that. Okay, so now put a tick on simple moving average. Okay, so yeah, next we'll open the drop down for simple moving average. Okay, yep, open the drop down for it, and now we just need to make sure all the simple moving average are selected. And next we'll go to parameter. So today the parameter we are using is 7, 13, and 100. So again, SMA1 is 7, SMA2 is 13, and SMA3 is 100. So after we get that down, we close the technical indicators window. And now, as I mentioned just now, today I'm going to be using the 10 minutes chart, and then I will be trading with a 30 seconds option period, 30 minutes option period. Just to let you know, the payout for 30 minutes option is 90%. So if you invest $100, the return you're gonna get, the amount you're gonna get back in your account if you win that trade is gonna be $190. Let's take a look at the market here. That's the 10 seconds chart movement. So just gonna browse on different currency pairs to have an overall idea on the movement and see which one to trade with. It seems like the price are all in trade market, so I just gonna have a multiple screen, and then just to take a look at two different currencies at the same time, and then it's a 10 minutes chart, and then it will take us some time to spot the right spot the right timing to place trades. And then I guess it might be a better idea if we can look at multiple currency at the same time, and then try not to miss the trading chances once it's clear. Just for the sake of saving your time, so you don't need to browsing on different currency pairs endlessly, and then now we can have a look at two potential assets here. And then now we see that they crossover, the simple moving average crossover. I'm just gonna place a trade first, and I will explain it to you how I place this trade. You see both currency pairs here are crossing over, and that is supposed to give me a trading chances on both of the currencies here. But then if you take a look at the right one here, at the latest candles, it's quite spiky. So that means the price is not as stable as the one on the left. If we take a look on the one on the left here, it's really gradual, and then the shadows of the candlesticks are short compared to the one on the right. And that's why I decided to open a option for the chart on the right instead of the one on the right. Let's zoom into this chart a bit and just to explain it to you, the purchase timing for this strategy. That's really obvious that if we take a look at the yellow simple moving average here, the yellow simple moving average is heading downward all the way, and then if we take a look at the candlestick movement, it's actually heading downward overall as well. So now I can confirm that the market is in a downtrend. That's the same when we use this strategy on normal daily trading. So we first confirm the trend direction. Now I confirm that it's in a downtrend, and then I move on to the blue and red simple moving average. So these two simple moving average crossover when I opened that trade, and then when they cross over, and if the blue line is below the red line, that indicates a bearish signal for me to open a low option. So that's what I did there. So okay, so just another thing is that the difference for you to trade in forex and binary option is that in binary option, even though we are trading with a 30 minutes option, but compared to forex, it's still kind of short-term trading, and that's why we as I suggested for forex trader, we can place a trade at when the trend becomes stable. But for binary option, I still suggest you to place the trade at once the signal comes out, just like that. Once the two simple moving average crossover, I opened the trade. So that actually, for binary option, that actually helps me to improve the winning percentage, because when the crossover, the movement is the most strong. So okay, so that's the thing you need to make sure that to keep in mind. So the difference between forex and binary option. So binary option, you place a trade at once after just once after you get the signal from the indicator. But for forex, you can actually place a trade after the signal comes out and then wait until the trend is stable. So next, well, just take a look at this one here is US dollar and Japanese yen. So that the downtrend here actually for the 10 minutes chart actually continued for 2 days already, and this chart I'm using here is a live chart, so this is what is happening right now in the markets. So the trend is really stable and is lasting for a long time, so that's why I would suggest you, if you want to trade the US presidential election, I would suggest you to take a look at a slightly longer time frame. So just like what I did here, I used a 10 seconds chart, and then the price movement here is really stable. Okay, so well, I still have around 20 minutes left, so I will just fast forward a bit, and then let's take a look at what happened at the end. So well, the price is really close to my entry price at where I opened the position. But all things, I still got a lot of time here, so I don't really have to worry about that. Just let the price to develop, and then it might head to my favorite direction. Okay, so well, the trade is about to finish. Again, it's really close, but I'm guessing I'm gonna get this trade here. Okay, so yeah, the trade is finished, and let's take a look at the history here. Okay, so let's go to trade history. Yeah, just go to trade history, and now we are looking at the history. So obviously I only did one trade because it's a 30 minutes option, and it takes me time to do the video as well, and that's why I can't make any more trade. But well, if you do have more time, and you can stay on the chart and then just place a trade at when the signal comes out and wait for 30 minutes, and then you will likely to, if you trade at the right timing, then you will likely to have a $90 profit. So well, that's it for today, and well, if you do have any question on the on how to trade with the US presidential election, just let me know by putting a comment down there, and then I can get back to you as soon as possible. So again, do not miss the chance for this once in 4 years trading opportunity to aim for big profit in both binary option and forex trading. And well, the presidential election, the election is still happening. There's no the result haven't come out, but then that doesn't mean that you can't trade. Just like this one I do here, there is a trend already, so all you need to do is just to get on with the trend, and then just try to make some profit by following the trend. Okay, so well, that's it for today, and well, if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again next week. Bye.